Hello and welcome to Byte Forever. So this is part 3 of Commodore 64 repair series, and today we'll be showing this diagnostic cartridge, which is readily available. I think I paid about 13 quid on eBay for this. That's a picture of that on eBay. I'll put the link in the description. So it's got several things. You can run a dead test, which I think if you're basically getting nothing out of the computer apart from like a blank screen, I think that'll start flashing the board as different colours, and there's codes which tell you which chip might be dead as a result of that. But seeing as I've got past that stage with various repairs, and I thought I'd try this on this diagnostic switch, which is the bottom one. So I've got this plugged in down the back. Sorry for the poor lighting. And let's power it on. And I've tried this before, and it'll probably show the same result. Now, in the intermediate time, what I've been able to do, I've been checking different components, passive components on the board, and found a couple of resistors which were a lot lower than they should be according to the repair manual. So I changed them. I didn't put the exact same value in, but I had like the closest value I could find, and that's improved the voltage to about 4.79 or 4.8 volts on the 5-volt rail, which is good enough for this to be a lot more reliable now. It's actually never crashes. The only problem still got is that the SID chip's dead, so I've ordered a replacement, like a reverse engineered FPGA chip. I might do some more checking of voltages around that, but yeah, I think it's a common problem that the chip just dies. So yeah, let's turn this on and run this cartridge test. This is what you get. Run through all the diagnostic checks, checking the RAM first. I don't know the details of what the tests do. Yeah, it's probably doing some sort of like linear read-write, random read-write on the RAM. Colour RAM. As I say, this will basically run forever as long as you've got power on. So yeah, they're the bad ones on the top right. I'm not entirely sure what's wrong with that. It could be due to these top two U1, U2, which is CIA chips. U18 is a SID chip, so yeah, the sound doesn't work, I know that. U1 and U2 are the complex interface adapter chips, and that's possibly one reason why the cassette is marked as bad. But yeah, so that's that running. It'll carry on like a soak test forever. Yep. So if you like the video, please subscribe and like. Leave a comment. I'll try and get back to you with a response. But thanks for watching. Bye for now.